to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on ServiceNow CIS Discovery. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment section. Our team will prioritize those. Now, the question is from an SNMP query pattern operation. Which of the choices are valid variable types? Choose two options. And the options are option A test, option B table, option C scalar, and option D CI type. The correct option is option C and D. Next question is, in Discovery, what table associates an IP address and a credential? Options are option A credential affinity, option B service affinity, option C service CI association, and option D tags. The correct option is option A. Next question is, based on the image, which of the following choices is true? Please go through the image. Now the options are option A, this is from a WMI query operation step. Option B, there is a scalar variable labeled 1. Option C, this value cannot be used in a pattern step. And option D, there is a tabular variable named name details. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what pattern operation allows the transfer of a file from the MID server to a target? Options are option A parse file, option B create connection, option C put file, and option D manage attachments. The correct option is option C. Next question is, when designing steps with operations requiring variables, it is best practice to do what? Options are option A hardcore variables, option B always use scalar variables, option C query targets for variables, and option D design for a static environment. The correct option is option B. Next question is, for what is file-based discovery used? Options are option A to discover the checksum of a file and store it to track for changes. Option B. To discover the contents of flat files such as configuration files. Option C. To discover that file names conform to a defined naming standards. And option D. To discover file paths to recognize the signature of installed software. The correct option is option D. Next question is, in general, discovery can provide which of the following kinds of application relationships? Choose two options. And the options are option A, TCP to UDP. Option B, application to application. Option C, mid server to target. And option D, host to application. The correct option is option D. Next question is, after running discovery and viewing the ECCQ tab, what are some of the displayed default fields? Choose three options. And the options are option A, details, option B, topic, option C, pattern log link, option D, CMDB CI, option E, queue, option F, source, and option G, discovery schedule name. The correct option is option B, E, and F.